Welcome to TownSteel. This video shows you how to replace the batteries in your TownSteel eGenius. Before we get started, you'll need a screwdriver, a lever remover, and 4 AA batteries. Start off by removing the lever with a provided lever remover tool. To do this, use the tool to push up on the hole that is found beneath the lever. When the quick release is recessed, pull the lever towards you. Once the lever is detached, use your screwdriver to remove the 2 screws found at the upper and lower sections of the trim. With the screws removed, simply take off the trim to gain access to the battery sockets. Replace the batteries with your newly acquired AA batteries. We recommend the use of alkaline batteries due to the voltage being much higher than rechargeable ones. After inserting new batteries, reinsert the trim. If the trim does not sit flush, rotate the deadbolt knob back and forth until you can properly throw and retract the deadbolt. With the trim on, begin to reinstall the 2 screws. Finally, reinstall the lever. Just like that, you've replaced the batteries, and your eGenius is good to go. To stay up to date on all things TownSteel, visit our website or LinkedIn.